Before we get started, a quick shout out to Benji, who gave me some feedback on the grocery analogies and how he's enjoying them. So to stick with the theme, we're going to do another one today, and it's about scaling. So you've managed to sort out your grocery store. You've been working on it for the last 2 weeks, or you sorted out your data, but now you're ready to franchise. What does that mean? How are you going to scale? So we know it's difficult enough just to sort out data for one person, getting a handle on your data or your documents. Whilst not impossible, it's not the easiest, but it is a lot easier than standardizing your data standards for your whole organization. So how do you get this done? Well, you need to think about a system made up of various layers, and whilst it doesn't sound very exciting, it is essentially things like policies, standards, procedures, processes, and all of those sorts of things. So those will allow you to kind of scale out the way you manage your data, the way you manage the use of your data, the way you use it to generate insights. And essentially what you're doing is building up a set of repeatable patterns that you can use to then scale your capability for making sense of your data, generating insight from your data, and adding value from your data in exactly the same way that a franchise does. So think about how a franchise kind of packages all of that. It defines the standards, it does the branding, operate the processes, the strategies, all of those sorts of things, and essentially hands them over to a franchisee ready to run. You can do the same in the data world. So I would like to know in the comments below, let me know if you are scaled to be able to grow, or if you're just struggling to get by before scaling. Thanks for watching.